Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Kuroji Gaming. It's been a while since I've actually made a video. I think one of the last videos I talked about opening a business. I'm still actually in the process of doing that, but I've ran into a couple of snags. I actually, I kind of wanted to wait until after the holidays to get something, just because I knew during the holidays nobody was really going to be, I wasn't going to have very much income coming in, so I waited too long. A few of the shops that I was looking for were taken, and then I was trying to get one going, and as I was about to get the shop itself, I called the zoning department of the city, and they told me that that building didn't have the permits to have to do the type of work that I needed, or I couldn't even get a business license for that property. So always make sure, if you're trying to do this and you're trying to get a building and start your own business, always call the zoning department first in your city and make sure you can do the type of work that you're trying to do before you get the shop. Because if you get the shop first and you commit to that 1 year or 2 year contract that you're trying to get the shop for, if you sign that contract and then you go and try to get your business license and do everything the right way, it actually can backfire, and now you have a building that you can't even use for what you intended. So anyways, guys, I've still been doing a lot of my work, and repairing auto body type of work, but since then I've actually, let me show you guys, I've gotten a few more toys. I think I had this last time, this right here. I actually got more sets of rims. These I got to clean up, and I'm gonna paint them. They're just dirty, but no big deal. These are good. I think I just had this set last time. I've been holding on to them. I really like them. So now I got these other sets here. But yeah, and I think I just had this toolbox, but I was able to get another one, which was pretty nice. I got a really good deal on it, so I actually bought it for 200 bucks, or actually less than 200 bucks out the door from Home Depot. And I'm glad I did. I purchased a lot of new tools for Black Friday, which was awesome because I got some really good deals. And let me show you this side. I've actually got a bunch of new, some more of these tire shine stuff, and little odds and ends here. All right, let's show you these. These are the Milwaukee ratchet wrenches. So this is of course metric, because almost every car nowadays is metric. I deal with a lot of metric, so. These are the regular wrenches. And here's the standard, I believe. Yep, standard. You could tell it's standard just by the red cover. The holder is red. So standard ratchet wrenches. These things are awesome. I'm not trying to get this video very long, but I like the grips on these. They're pretty cool. See the teeth on there? The teeth on these are pretty cool. Anyways, I got that. I actually got a set of Milwaukee sockets. This is 1/4 inch. Still in the package. So that's pretty neat. And I got these for the shop. So as soon as I get the shop open, I'm gonna have a brand new set of tools. And these are pretty cool because so when they fall, they don't roll around, because they got it's like they're squared at the ends. So that's pretty neat. I got more here's a 3/8 stubby by Milwaukee. Torque wrench, or not torque wrench, a ratchet wrench, I should say. So these are the M18s, or M12, sorry, M12. And I got another Milwaukee in here, which is pretty cool. Let's see, let's go to this side. This is the M18, half inch. Impact torque, so torque impact, whatever. Okay, so this is half inch. I got this set of screwdrivers, all brand new, still in the box. I got these for my sockets that I'm gonna put in my toolbox for from the Milwaukee. I bought these from Harbor Freight, so it's pretty cheap. I get this impact sockets also from Harbor Freight. You know. This dollies, these vehicle dollies, whatever. I got a Bluetooth speaker because I didn't have anything, so I'm gonna use it at the shop. You know, some odds and ends, some drill bits. I think this is these are hex bits, bit set, whatever, from Milwaukee as well. I got a really good deal on all this stuff. Just regular little toolbox. I got 2 more of these cases. Trying to think of anything else that I bought. Oh yeah, I bought that sucker. So, yeah, this was from Harbor Freight as well. But yeah, I got those things up there. Just you know, more stuff so that when I do get the shop open, I have everything that I need. You kind of, that's what you kind of want to do. You want to, you know, as you work and you get more money, and you want to invest it. Definitely want to invest it. I mean, if it's making you money, why not invest it and make your life easier and get the tools that you do need. But I'm pretty much set. I think I can do everything that I need to with what I have. You know, I can't think of anything else. But anyways, I'm still working on the shop. Once I get it, I'll make another video and let you guys, you know, see what I'm trying to accomplish here. Eventually, I kind of want to turn it into a performance shop, but that's not, you know, baby steps. You know, you got to work your way towards that. So, you know, that's all I got to say. But hopefully the next video I will have the shop and I can put all this stuff in there and, you know, make some cooler videos of working on other vehicles. I got one outside, but, you know, I'm trying to get a few more. But like I said, please subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing, guys, and I'll keep you guys posted.